Milbank Manufacturing is hiring, and we would like you to join our team. Since the beginning, Milbank has valued building good relationships, especially with our employees. Here's what some of our team members have to say about their experience here.
It's a very nice place to work. The training's very good. The management's very nice, and they think about us. We're a union shop, and the union pretty good. Just general good people, good environment, healthy, clean, nice, and happy.
I personally like work for Milbank because I just don't feel like I'm a number. A lot of workplaces have label you as a number. Almost everybody here knows my name, and they do treat us like we're all family.
Well, one of the great things I found about Milbank is that there's the union and leadership partnership, and so we kind of work together to make things happen more efficiently at Milbank.
I love working for Milbank. This is a family-owned company who treats their employees like family. Everybody knows everybody, and I love working here. It's as simple as that.